Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And sometime last year, I made some videos about tag cuts that the macro was written by Mr. Roy Brewer from Engraving Concepts in Arlington, Texas. And it's phenomenal, but that's not what the video is about. But in just case you haven't seen it, it's a macro that you can get off my Facebook page, which I'll show you in a second. But you just run tag cuts, and we're going to make just 9 tags, 3 rows by 3 rows, and create it. What this does is saves your laser time because it's just cutting. Let's go back and ungroup it. And it's just cutting individual lines. You don't have to cut that line twice. But the real reason for the video today, somebody was having problems with how you can get names into the center of these tag cuts, because there's really no box. There's no center, it's just lines. So my suggestion, and I hope I don't forget to tell you where to get this, is to make something on top of that. So we're gonna group this together. Control G, and we're gonna nudge it out of the way. Well, we don't have to nudge it out of the way because it's in the top corner. We'll just move it. And then I'm going to make another size. I'm going to make my ratios unlocked so I can do them both. And it's in black, which is handy because it's different than the other one. And then let's see what our duplicate distance is. We'll make it 3 inches and then make it 1.5 inches. And you can do this with a whole page of items. So now we have boxes. So we can take Doug and it'll tell us it's in the center. So your text could be in the center. We can take Jim. And you could also take the name, hold down the shift key, hit the box and hit CE, and it'll put it in the center. Hit the name, hit the shift key, EC, doesn't matter what order you want. Let's go ahead and do them all. I'm holding down the shift key so it selects them both. EC, holding down the shift, EC. And what's nice about this, now we can take our boxes away, and as long as you don't click on the name, you're taking the boxes away. And remember well, we didn't nudge it, we just moved it over, but it's gonna snap to the top of the page. So now we have tag cuts. It's gonna cut this out. And you can, inside of tag cuts, and I'll just show you because I love it. Let's just delete this, and I'm trying not to forget. So let's make you wanna make your size, so we're gonna make it 3 by 1.5, and we're gonna open tag cuts back again, and it's tools, scripts. Yours is, if you have, I think it was like X9, they started scripts. Yours is gonna be macros, and there's tag cuts when you load it. And we're just gonna do 3 by 3 again, but this time we're gonna put a 0.25 radius on it and create. So now tag cuts has made real name badges, and if we ungroup it, you can see it's just going to cut those lines individually. So you save a lot of laser time. I mean, a lot. So where do you get tag cuts? I've got it on my Facebook page, which is Corel File Share, and you just go down to Files, and you'll be right there, tag cuts. And all you do is click on that and then load it. And I've got several videos on how to load a macro into the macro. And so this is, and there's some videos right there that you can watch on Mr. Roy Brewer. He's, I have no idea how he wrote that thing, but it's really cool. So I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.